Our explosion-proof tracked roadway repair machine arrives at customer's job site. The machine is safely lifted and unloaded by crane. This multifunctional roadway repair machine serves underground coal mine projects. It can finish scaling, rock breaking, and roadway trimming efficiently. Compact crawler structure adapts to narrow underground laneways. Stable hydraulic system ensures long-term continuous working. Complete explosion-proof certificates meet coal mine safety standards. If you need reliable underground maintenance machinery, contact us now.